Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Palesa.inama and welcome to this wig review video. So today I'm going to be telling you about this gorgeous wig. I'm going to show you the start to finish process from bleaching the knots to plucking the hairline and a little bit of styling, though I wasn't really trying to style it. But I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Please watch an ad or two so your girl can make some quaint. Enjoy! So the hair came in this pretty pink box. It's from HC Hair Online, and in the box was a wig cap and then the wig itself. This is what the wig looks like directly from the box. You can see the body wave is at the ends. I went and I put the wig on just to try it, and I feel like this hairline is so weird. It's got these weird corners, but I am going to try and finesse it. So this is a close-up of what the hairline and the lace looks like, and we're about to get started working on this wig. For bleaching the knots, I'm going to be using this mixing bowl as well as the bleaching powder from the Care Highlight Kit. I like to eyeball it. I don't have a scoop, so I just eyeball it and I put the powder in the bowl, and then I'm going to add the developer that came in the kit. I like to eyeball it as well, but word to the wise, don't make your bleach too runny, otherwise it's going to seep through the knots and it's going to bleach the hair. So you want it to be like a little bit on the thicker side, like a butter, so you can be able to apply it and it won't run through the knots. So I'm just gently applying it with the brush that I was using to mix it. I'm not pressing too hard because I don't want that bleach seeping through, but I'm just applying it. It's a thick consistency, as you can see, not too runny. Taking my time, but I'm also applying that in front of the hairline for the lace that I'm not going to cut off to kind of, have that bleached effect. And this is what it looks like. I'm going to leave it for between 20 to 30 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse it out with warm water. Be sure to rinse out the bleach thoroughly because you don't want it to continue processing. So once I've rinsed out the bleach, I'm using this Provoke Silver shampoo. So this is a purple shampoo, and it's going to help me with kind of toning that brassy yellow tone that is on the lace. What I like to do is I like to rub it in and leave it for like 10 minutes and then come back, rinse it and do the whole conditioning thing, and then let my wig air dry. So the wig has air dried, and as you can see, there's like a white cloth underneath. That's just an old pillowcase. I learned this trick. If you put something white underneath the hair when you pluck, you will see better what it is that you're doing. And I'm just going ahead and flattening the hair with a hot comb. Then I made a line and I'm going to start plucking behind the hairline. So the issue with this wig is that it doesn't have a lot of space. It is a 13 by 4. So there's not really like a lot of space to pluck, but I am just trying to make that hairline look better than it was in the beginning. And as you can see, I'm just going in with my tweezers, plucking like I'm moving along the hair. I'm not staying in one place for too long because I do not want to cause balding. And that's all you do. You can see it looks a lot better, not as dense, but I don't like that super plucked look. So this is what the hair looks like on. You can see that hairline is weird, guys. Like, it's really a bit weird, but it looks a lot better. If you're a beginner, I'm going to suggest that when you work with your wig, tie your hair up in like a ponytail or a bun, whatever. Get it out the way so you can be able to work like with cutting the tabs, the ear tabs. But also, it's just better when you're like working with a lace front wig to get the hair out of your face so you can work peacefully. When it comes to lace, it all boils down to preference. I don't like to leave a lot of lace because I feel like it kind of doesn't blend into my skin, but also I don't like the whole lace down your forehead thing, like trying to make your head look smaller. That doesn't work for me, so I leave a bit of lace but not too much. Then I'm going to go in with the Got to Be Glued, the undetectable gel, the black one, and I just put it on in front of my hairline. If you can see, my hairs are at the back of this thing. You don't put it on your hairline. That's why you don't have a hairline, because you've been putting the glue and these gels on your actual hairline. Put it in front, slightly in front of your hairline, just to save your hairline, guys. As funny jibabs in summer. And once I put that wig in place, I'm going in with the Tresemme Extra Holding Spray. This has been my favorite spray to use, and yeah, I've been raving about it. So I'm just like spraying it on the edges of that lace so that it can lay down. But the gel helps, so the wig is actually sitting in place and it's secured. Now I'm just trying to get that lace melt. Then this is what it looks like. You can see it's melted. It's a little bit messy, so I like to go in with a wet wipe just to remove that excess spray and the gel, just so it doesn't turn out that white cast when I do my makeup. So because this wig doesn't have a lot of parting space on the sides, I'm kind of forced to do a middle part. So I am going to be styling it into a middle part. And because when I washed it, I kind of lost those waves, I will be trying to curl it on my head. But first, I need to kind of flatten out the part, and I do that using my hot comb. I'm not really going to show you this part of me styling because curling hair on my head is another pandemic, but I'm just trying to get waves, so I'm not looking for perfect curls. I'm just wrapping the hair around my Tresemme curling wand. I think it's a 32mm, but yeah, that's practically all I did. So the hair is from HC Hair Online, HC Hair Online, and they sent me this gorgeous 26-inch bodywave wig. Now I know I did lose some of the curls after washing it, but this hair is stunning, you know, and the lace blends in pretty easily after bleaching the knots. My only qualm with this wig is that it doesn't have much like parting space on the side, So a middle part or a free part is the best thing to do with his hair because it doesn't have enough space to part on the side. But other than that, it is a perfect wig. This is the 26-inch body wave, 180 density, and it is a frontal wig. This hair is, yeah, you know, like I can't wait to wear it straight as well because I think it would look absolutely sleek and gorgeous. I am going to cut some layers into it. I think the curls would look a lot better if I cut some layers, but I am really loving this hair. And yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. I will see you guys in my next video.